Welcome everyone! In this video, we'll give you a short tutorial on how to efficiently find answers using the command bar in DocuMine. DocuMine is an AI engine that eliminates the tedious task of manually searching through large volumes of documents. It allows you to ask specific questions and receive precise answers. DocuMine automatically suggests answers to your questions and provides references to the relevant numbers, text, or sentences. To make things even faster, we created the command bar. Let's say you've completed your review with DocuMine, but still have one question you'd like to verify. For single questions, you can easily use the command bar without needing to configure a full DocuMine setup. The command bar is a quick access feature that helps you ask a single question and get an instant answer without interrupting your workflow. Let's see how it works. To activate the command bar, press Ctrl, Alt, and Space on your keyboard. The command bar will appear in the middle of your screen. Type in your question. For example, you can ask, what is the name of the owner? What is the period of the lease? When does the agreement expire? In this case, let's ask, when does the agreement expire? Next, choose the document you want to search from the drop-down menu and press Enter. DocuMine will instantly display the answer on the answer card, along with references to the document for easy verification and review. Review the answer and it snips. If the answer is correct, click Save Answer to save it in the designated cell. If it's incorrect, click Discard to remove it. In short, the command bar is your go-to feature for quick, accurate answers without disrupting your workflow. Thank you for watching this short tutorial on the command bar. Check out our knowledge base to learn more. Happy snipping!